I get to watch you, son, and how you father your children. You are a fabulous father, and they're lucky boys. And you know what else makes them lucky boys? Is their daddy knows how to cook, y'all.
I'm a cooker. Today, y'all, we're gonna do something that has always been my favorite, and it's pork chops. We're gonna make a white gravy. Brooke loves white gravy, and I do
Yes,
too.
she does. That girl knows she likes her some white pepper gravy.
We're gonna take 4 tablespoons
What
of
do you
butter.
want me to do with these potatoes, son? I know you got something going on here.
If you want to, Mom, you can measure me out 2½ cups of milk.
Okay.
This is super easy to make your own gravy at the house. We're gonna start with the roux, so I've got 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of flour, and we're gonna cook this down, and we're gonna add 2½ cups of milk to this.
Okay.
Well, what is
okay, do you want these sliced thin like
You can cut them into a quarter inch, or you can chop your shallots, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
This, Mom, what is a potato casserole missing? White gravy and pork chops. So we're gonna layer all of these and cook them in one container.
You
This
know
is a
what
great
this
recipe.
sounds like, son? It kind of sounds like my farmer's pork chops that y'all love so much. So I can't wait to see how you're gonna put this together.
Okay, my butter's done, y'all. So I've got this roux. This is gonna thicken up our 2½ cups of milk. And I'm just gonna keep stirring this slowly for the next few minutes until it thickens up.
All right, the shallots are done. Now I'm gonna start just slicing these potatoes. You say like 1/4 inch, son?
Yes, ma'am, please.
About like this.
That's good. And so I'm
Well,
gonna
to
season
you,
this with a little bit of nutmeg.
So how's this looking, son?
It's good.
Salt,
A little salt.
some salt. I would put some pepper.
All right. I like the flavor of the nutmeg in
Yeah,
there,
I do too. Son, I can't seem to get it salty enough.
You would salt. Get out of my pot. We're gonna season those potatoes. This is gonna be fine.
It's perfect now. It's perfect. All right, so what are we gonna do? I've got your potatoes sliced.
Okay, so-
I've got your shallots.
We're gonna do a
minced.
layer of potatoes.
Okay.
And then let's put a layer of shallots on there. And we're gonna season this up layer by layer a little bit.
Is this a Yukon Gold
Yes,
or is?
ma'am.
And it's just like the white table potato, only it's gold. These just get real creamy and soft.
Much better than those potatoes that you'd eat on the floor. These are table
The
potatoes.
flour. Oh, I get it.
Do you? Let's go one more thing of shallots. and
Okay.
This is gonna be really full.
Okay,
Okay, so we're gonna
okay.
coat our potatoes in our casserole pot here.
And we don't have any cheese in this, do we?
No, ma'am. Doesn't this look awesome, Mom?
Wow.
My mouth is watering. Okay, now.
You know, I never met a potato I didn't adore.
I know this is gonna be so good. Let's
All right.
cover it with foil.
Okay, and then we'll put it on this. I could clean out this pot a little bit more, I think.
Well,
Here, you want me to finish getting this out?
if you think we need it, Mom.
See, son, I knew there was another drop in there. Yay. Ooh, ooh.
That is so good.
Throw some potatoes in that and some chunks of ham. You'd have the finest pot of ham and potato soup you've ever put in your mouth, y'all. All right, so how long are we gonna
that's a
bake
great
that
idea.
for, son?
This is going in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! Oh my gracious. I'm gonna,
You can keep talking if you'd like. Be careful, Mama. I know that's hot.
it is so hot. This is what my son wanted, y'all, so this is what he gets. Look at that. Whoa.
Looks pretty daggum good.
I'm telling you what.
Let's try them. You want to?
Oh, yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Ooh.
Is it yummy?
Oh my gosh.